Usihlalo weSANEF Sibungalwa uthi ukuqhambukela kahulumeni emsebenzini wabezindaba sekuyivela kancane. Ingqinamba enkulu isimo somnotho kanye nokuthuthuka kobuchwepheshe okwenza kube nzima ukuthi amaziko ezindaba azenzele inzuzo.
In the past you've had newspapers being closed by the government. Now newspapers are closing as a result of the economic conditions in the country, as exacerbated by the coronavirus. And what that does is that it threatens communities who live in far-flung areas who rely on these media outlets for the stories and to reflect on their lives. So I think for me, the biggest threat to the media now is the issue of sustainability, as opposed to state repression, although there are some issues that are worrying here and there.
Umhleli omkhulu wezindaba ze-SABC uphathiswa Magopeni uthi ukungaxhaswa ngendlela kwamaziko omphakathi ezindaba kungahambisani nomthetho sisekelo.
The issues around the funding of journalism, specifically in our case, and the issues that talk to what we call an unfunded public mandate. I mean, there's one thing that you can't escape. Not funding public service journalism is a media freedom infringement in itself, because it means that it restricts the citizens' rights to access information. So in itself, it's an infringement. And I think we need to go that route and start looking at it that way.
Ujobelele ngokuthi ukukhishwa nyumbazana kwabezindaba abasebenzisa izilwimi zomdabu kuvimba ukuthi baziphake emphakathini edla imbuya ngothi.
When there was money, there was no investment in African languages. And why was that so? So you can blame the situation now, but what happened when there was money? How is it that we're sitting here and in fact we are still talking around provision of news content to English audiences predominantly, because that's where we have allocated resources disproportionately. But when you look at how we are serving our African languages, which is predominantly the majority of the people in the country. So when there was money, why did the investment not happen at the time? Because we'd be talking a different language now.
Okuhlalukile ukuthi ukuthuthuka kobuchwepheshe kukhahlameza kakhulu imithombo yezindaba ejwayelekile. Phezu kwalokho ububha obudlalobi buvalela ngaphandle abaswele ekutheni babikelwe izindaba ngenxa yokunqindeka ukuthi bafinyelele ezintweni ezifana ne-internet.